connecting it to your mirror. 9, 10, thought experiment. Your thought experiment in my words. 3D level, ring with the 9. A person in a room, 3D, with a mirror in front and mirrored closet doors behind. He holds out his hand and draws a 9 in the air. 4D level, timeless, recursion of reflection. You get the infinite mirror tunnel from one particular reflection's point of view. The drawn 9 can look like a 10 due to rotation. But which digit is it? Depends on time when he draws it, and distance, depth in the mirror chain. So you had a 3D situation, but now you're considering its extended path in time and across reflections in a 4D structure. 5D glimpse, camera somewhere, do a long exposure while he moves a light to trace that 9. The resulting photograph is neither a pure 9 nor a pure 10. It's a compressed image of all the positions of the light through time, seen from one vantage in the mirror tunnel. That photo is a 2D projection of a 4D plus process. Now if you start varying camera position, exposure and timing, each photo is another different projection of the same higher dimensional event, objection. The space of all those possible projections is what you're calling 5D, not in strict physics language, but as the dimension where full histories and vantage combinations live. So in your language, 3D dot, the man plus line of mirrors at one instant. 4D, the evolving pattern across time. 5D, the family of all possible recordings of that pattern. Different cameras, timings, distance, that's exactly what encoding higher dimensional info in images means. You define an object that lives in a bigger space, then project it down so one still image carries the history. 3, how the drawing is a translator. If I combine that with this blueprint, the circle on top can stand in for the mirror tunnel view. The square on the bottom is the world or stage where the man actually moves. The diagonals and green dashed lines are axis, sight lines are time. World lines, the internal coordinate system of your translator. The black curve that touches both circle and square is exactly like the path of the light in your long exposure experiment in it.